Hi everybody. Been a while since I posted anything, but I have some older videos I'd found, and I want to go ahead and just upload them, just so I have them on my current YouTube channel. I'm just going to post it privately, but I guess I'd share it with everybody. It's my father and I's first build was a Quad City Challenger, had a Rotex 503 engine in it, and we did all that kit assembly ourselves and painted everything. And after that, bought a Sonex and put that together, did all the electronics, everything, all on our own. And this is back in Wichita, Kansas, going about 20 years ago now. And the video quality is not the greatest, but let you guys take a look at it. But most of it's the Sonex, just some flying videos. Again, very poor quality back in the day, but anyway, hope you enjoy. See ya.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Hi there, this is Michael. Here's my wing, what we've done so far. Okay, here you go. This is the right wing that we're trying to finish up probably today. Still have to put clecos or rivets in it. We got the bottom side finished already. Here you can see where the hinges are. And where the hole is for the aileron counterweight balance. There's a control for the aileron. We come on over here. There you go. There's the hinge for the flap, where we are looking at the bottom side. Here's the wires and board exiting the forward root rib. That's the pitot tube mechanism sticking out. There's my left wing. Here's the top of the wing. This is the additional piece of metal that you place on top of it for the wing lock. We just have it clecoed on for now. As you can see, everything else is riveted in place. Here's the inboard. And over here is my wingtip, and how we actually, well, here's some of the notches we had to make in the wingtip right there. Here's a leading edge, and this is the bottom of the wing. I had to make a little notch in there. Had to notch that out, and we had to notch out an area back there. But over here is where we installed the nav and position lights over here, and I'll flip this over here and show you kind of how we did that. What we did is put some nut plates and epoxied them in place and put some glass on top of them.
Walmart, that one developer ain't as good as that other one.
The what?
The pictures come out different.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The one farthest to the west,
Uh-huh.
I don't know if that's where you go or not. But the one back to the east, we get them out. How much y'all think that?
Just a second. Okay. Sure.
I see both of them.
Oh. Okay, go ahead and just hit the left, or just one at a time for now. Left, right.
Oh, baloney. I thought you were going to just try the one.
Yeah, there's just the left. Now now the right. Okay, and now the wigwag. Here's a wigwag. Awesome. Okay. All right. And go ahead and hit one of my nav lights there. Or one of each.
Both of them?
Yeah. There's, oh, I keep going back where there's green. Okay. There, they both work. Okay, good. And on. Mixture rich. Throttle a little bit open. Here we go. Here's my Sonex. It is about 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now. And I just put the cowling on it finally and got the tail up in the air. It was a lot of fun. Weather warms up a little bit, maybe I can take this thing in the air. There it is. There's my N number. You can see I kind of half polished it and half didn't polish it. Figured I would polish it throughout the winter time and a little bit warmer weather. But anyway, there's my Sonex with the cowling on.
That claustrophobic here. I couldn't figure out how to get out of there. It was up on the side.
Oh, okay, I guess I should tell people.